Welcome back to Love Vegan. Today we got special guest Chef Mayo going to make something very special that's served in a Vegan Yes restaurant in Brick Lane. So what we are going to make today? What are you going to make?
Today I will show you how to make kimbap. Kimbap is the word they use in Korea to say sushi. And this is the seaweed ready for show you how to make a sushi roll.
Oh, okay. So kimbap is like come from Korean.
Yeah, it's the name they use in Korea to say sushi.
Okay.
So they call kimbap. Okay. And in my book is the recipe, and how they say in the book is easy like to roll a newspaper.
Oh wow! We'll wait and see if that easy as that or not. So Chef Mayo gonna show us today. So, and is it all the ingredients? Can you tell us more about the ingredients?
Yes, we have kimchi. We invent different colors and flavor than kimchi. So we have the kimchi yellow, made with turmeric and fresh ginger. The green made with mint and spirulina. Purple kimchi, I call viola in my book, is made with the red cabbage and rosemary. And the red kimchi, the traditional Korean kimchi. All the recipe is inside the book. Also we will dressing with extra virgin olive oil from Tuscany, some soy sauce, Mayo made vegan parmesan, recipe in the next video, and Mayo made mayonnaise recipe in the next video as well.
Okay, so this mayo's vegan mayo, is it in the book as well?
Yeah.
Okay. What about the other one?
Parmesan as well in the book.
As well. Okay, where can you get this book from?
Amazon, in our shop, or in our website, veganyes.co.uk.
Okay. So now time for you to show us
how to wrap
the newspaper. Really looking for that. I'll give you this space to cook.
Thank you.
Yeah, to make your kimbap.
Kimbap, yes.
Perfect.
Voila, and now we start how to build the kimbap or sushi roll. We have the seaweed. You can see the seaweed have two different color. One here is a shiny, and here is a little bit cracked. So this is the internal part, and this is the external. We take a steamed rice. We have rice from the cook machine, steam cooker, and we put on the seaweed. How we can put the rice? Okay, is a way to put the rice. I learned many years ago from a Japanese chef, and they explained to me like that. Do you know where is something like a ramp? Yeah, to jump in. So the rice should have the same layout. So from here, low and go up. So we need to build a small ramp. And we leave like one finger or two fingers empty seaweed on front, and one finger empty seaweed on the back. Why? Now I will show you why. So we prepare the rice. I suggest to have some water or your sink very close to wash your hand, and you keep one color of kimchi. We start with the red, and we put in the middle of the rice. Yeah, we adjust and we press a little bit. And now, very important, you see the mat doesn't match with the seaweed. So two options: or bend the mat and match with the seaweed, or move the seaweed on the edge of the mat. Yeah? And after do this, put two fingers inside, and this part of seaweed, clean, should be kiss the rice. So flip and tuck. So now the seaweed is straight on the other seaweed and kiss our ramp. Yeah? Now the game is finished, because just put some water in this seaweed here on the bottom and do that. Puff. Press a little bit. Open. It's finished. It's a stick. Yeah? Easy, no? Like wrap a newspaper. Now kimbap is ready. I'll show you how to prepare and put in the plate. So we take the roller, we take a knife, sharp knife. I suggest you have water as well, because they help when you do the cut to stick out the starch from the rice. So I will cut a little bit bigger, so I do 6 pieces of kimbap. Careful to be cut on the end as well, because sometimes they have some piece of seaweed, they stick together, and when you go to lift up, they open. So cut properly well until the bottom. And you take a plate and you put the roller in your plate. Yeah. Put some spinach, fresh spinach in the middle. Important now is the dressing. Soy sauce, extra virgin olive oil. Without this, we don't go anywhere. Yeah. We have my amazing vegan parmesan, which we spread on top the spinach. And now to finish, mayonnaise on top the kimbap. So we take mayonnaise and we pour with the help finger. Yeah. Yeah. 5 and 6. And now to finish completely the plate, we put some black sesame on the mayo. And kimbap is served.
So here we go, the kimchi kimbap from Chef Mayo today. And as I see behind the cameras, it looked amazing and like so easy to make how you did it. But I don't think I can make it as easy as you. But yeah, thank you so much for coming and show it today.
Thank you.
So in this recipe is also available in this book, Kimchi 360.
Yes.
Yeah, so you can find a recipe in here, and then if you'd like to try it in person, you can come to visit the restaurant Vegan Yes in Brick Lane. So thank you again for coming and show us how to make kimbap today. Is that kimbap? Yeah.
Kimbap.
Kimbap, yeah. And I learned a lot from this video, and I hope you do too. And from this rolling mat, I call it bamboo mat or whatever you call.
Yeah.
What you call it?
Sushi mat.
Sushi mat, yeah. When you lay the seaweed cheese on here, and I have made sushi before, but I find really struggle like how to roll it properly. And then like today you show us like so easy how to make a roll like this, like kimbap today. And I just know there's a good trick like how to place it in the same level on the mat, or you can roll the mats back to match the seaweed cheese. So that makes life so easy when you know that little trick. So I hope you learn the same thing what I learned today, and also like how to make the rice that level another side and a bit higher like a round. So that's a really good trick. I hope you learned something from Love Vegan today. And then if you like this menu, so go and visit Vegan Yes at Brick Lane. So thank you again for watching this week video. Thank you to Chef Mayo.
Thank you.
And we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.
Bye bye. Ciao.